So whenever you have two things multiplying and it equals 0, you can set them to equal to 0 and then solve. So if I have like x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 equals 0, then I can say x plus 1 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. So here minus 1, so my x would equal negative 1 or plus 1, 2x equals 1, divide by 2, x equals 1/2, right? All right, so because to make one of those quantities equal, either one of those quantities equal 0, you can use those numbers, right? Okay, so we're going to find some zeros. And then I'm going to use Desmos to show you why this is important, which is where I had sort of planned to start if people had watched videos. Is 5x squared equals negative 12x plus 9. If it's in this format, I can't factor it. I have to make it equal to what number in order to find zeros?
0.
0. So I'm going to add 12x and subtract 9. Add 12x and subtract 9. So I get 5x squared plus 12x minus 9 equals 0. All right, then I can factor. I'm going to need a box because that first one is not a 1. So I've got 5x squared minus 9, and factors of 45 are 1 and 45, 3 and 15, 5 and 9. And I want a 12 when 1 is positive and 1 is negative. The bigger ones are positive, so the smaller ones are negative. All right, so I get a minus 3x and a plus 15x, right? Okay, so going across, I can take out a x and a plus 3, and here a 5x minus 3. So now I have that 5x minus 3 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. So add 3, So 5x equals 3, or x equals 3/5, or minus 3, x equals negative 3. Right? Yes, no?
Yep.
So if I look, these are some of them we've done. All right. Oh, nope, these are from later in this lesson. Never mind, you haven't done any of these yet. Shh, shh. Oh, except the first one. We did the first one there. Maybe the second one. So if I go to Desmos, my first one there on Desmos is the first one. And if I come in and I go right on those points, I get a negative 1 and I get a 0.5, which is 1/2, right? Aren't those the same zeros I found? Negative 1 and 1/2.
Yep.
All right. And then this next one should be, is that the one we just did?
Think so?
Negative 3 and 0.6, yeah. 3/5, yep. Okay,